Hello. I'm going to show you how you can use a ice cream tub. This must be a Kelly's one, for use as a plant pot. I'm going to grow some seeds in it. It's got a broken lid, so I thought, well, I'll take this one and see if I can turn it into a plant pot. It's got a nice little section there, so I think I'll. Fill the drainage hole. I better do this, just looking to make sure that it doesn't stick. Right, so I've got some drainage holes there, and now this lid here can be removed or not, as the case may be. It might be a good one to start my peppers. It's a shame that one's not peelable, but hey ho, well, hey, there you go. So I'm looking forward to using that in the garden.